Huge update for Bitcoin. We have run into a rising wedge over the preceding 4 to 5 days in this zone. We've established a rising and constricting level of support with this level of resistance, constricting into the finality of a rising apex there. Please pay attention. This is London with Bitcoin spike in terms of the pattern formation. This bearish feature is put right on the breakout and confirmation of this level of resistance, level of support, this symmetrical triangulation. We have some phenomenal price targets to the upside. You have two options here in terms of the feature here. This symmetrical triangulation. You have either the most aggressive that you could possibly go, which is this original pivot down into the level of support to lift this to the upside, right? That would be the most aggressive you could go, okay? In terms of 58,144. The more reasonable measurement would be that secondary pivot from the support to the resistance, and this amplitude measured up, that would be the more reasonable amplitude to the upside, that 57,036. In terms of the price action, let's dig into the expectations of the specific rising wedge. And I'll just shout out to all our VIP top level of membership. 2022 is already an awesome year. Got them 100% move today. We all did, guys. Teamwork. 100% move today on a specific coin that we brought last night in the form of a special video. Congratulations. Very good coin, guys. In terms of this level of resistance, please pay attention on the 4 hourly. You have also set a flat top resistance. Very flat top in terms of resistance. That may be reinforced. You already have contact number 1, contact number 2. So watch contact number 3 in concert with the specific rising wedge. Pay attention to that specific double contact point thus far. Now, in terms of the price action, as long as you guys understand, our streams, we love to stream in terms of the technicals, etc. Shout out to Angel. But I have said multiple times on the stream, I am bullish on BTC as long as we maintain this specific threshold here. Now, that is a coincident, I say, level with the lower time frame on the 4 hourly. However, on the daily, I feel this is a crucial level to maintain. This specific prior level of resistance into support, we must maintain price above this specific line. It would also include us maintaining price up and above that 200 exponential, moving average would be a crucial feature. As we see previous price actions and previous moves to the upside, we did maintain price, bam, as part of the uptrend up and above that 200 moving average, okay, in purple there. Also, maintaining price clearly up and above that specific 100 moving average. That was step 1, up and above the 100. Now, step 2 that we were looking in terms of confirming that 200 from a prior resistance to a support, bam, move to the upside. That is what is indicated. I want you to know the bearish feature is not a kill switch on the market. I want you to know it's not a kill switch on the market. Okay, it's not a necessary end of the trade, etc. We just conquered an ascending wedge in this zone. Okay, it was a micro. On the macro, it could be a little bit more difficult. I think the key in terms of price action to the upside is going to be getting over this specific, already dual enforced, right? A double enforced line of resistance. Anytime I see a flat top, you guys know I'm thinking ascending triangle. That's my first question. Ascending triangle. Now, in terms of this top line of resistance, we don't have that indicated yet. The ascending triangle within this specific framework, just for the record, not yet. In terms of this line of resistance, do understand that ascending wedges have been known to. They've been known to, and they have recently operated out up and above this line of resistance to entice buyers thereafter, guys, to surprise them and unfortunately to capitulate back through this level of support. So those who have entered at lower levels, congratulations. Our specific target to the low side was the low. It is the low, guys, in terms of our acquisition target that we shared with VIP and the community, guys. This specific level, bam. I want to shout out to AJ Crypto, who has a very low entry. He's the longest standing member of the VIP. Shout out to you, AJ. Hope you're doing well. Much love to you, brother. And yeah, we're just in such a more of a comfortable position, given the fact that we like to target in lower levels. That's when we get more aggressive. You guys understand those lower levels in the Fibonacci. So what I'll let you know is I will update you on BTC. Wanted to let you know the framework we're in, the challenge of this line of resistance, as well as this double feature in this zone. Bam, bam. Be prepared to recognize these levels. But let's go, bulls. Let's get up and out of this specific triangulation with some momentum. This crawl that has given us, and I'm going to tell you guys, the crawl has given us this feature here. We did not have to respect this line of support. We did not have to delve back into this like we have the last 4 or 5 days. I'd say the buyers have just backed off a bit and unfortunately established this specific pattern. I'm not looking forward to telling you guys about anything bearish. We want the price to go up. We want you guys to be able to trade with some momentum. So to the extent that it is there, I'll always bring it to your attention. We'll be in the back and we'll be streaming live tomorrow. I hope you guys turn on those notifications. This is London, former financial professional, Harvard Business School, Duke University, but not financial advice. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.